What if I told you there are 5 psychological secrets so powerful, they don't just influence, they control? These aren't just tricks you can Google or stumble upon in random articles. These are the weapons top negotiators, silent powerhouses, and master manipulators use to bend reality to their will. They walk into any room, and the rules change. If you watched part 1, you've already tapped into power. But don't move ahead yet. First, watch this. What I'm about to reveal will take that power you learned and amplify it, like flipping a switch. What you're about to learn will give you the ability to reshape minds, control conversations, and influence everyone around you without them even knowing why. Trick number 1. The mirror delay. Mirroring, copying someone's body language, tone, or words, sounds simple, right? But here's the game changer: timing. When you mirror at the right moment, it goes from a simple trick to a masterful manipulation. Don't rush. Let them speak. Let them settle into their comfort zone. Then, with perfect timing, mirror their movements or repeat their words, just a beat later. This pause adds a layer of mystique, making them feel like you're connected at a deeper level. They'll feel like they've found someone who understands them completely, without even realizing you're in control. Example: in an interview or negotiation, don't rush to agree. Let them speak, and then subtly mirror their language. Instead of just saying, "I'm a hard worker," wait. When they mention innovation or outside-the-box thinking, respond, "Exactly. Innovation and proactive thinking are what drive results." That's not just agreement, it's psychological mastery. Trick number 2, the controlled flinch. Imagine this. You're in a conversation and something rattles you. Do you show it? You control it. The controlled flinch isn't about hiding emotion, it's about managing it. Instead of reacting immediately, let the smallest flinch show. A momentary surprise or hesitation, just enough to let them know they've hit a nerve, then shut it down. Example: in a heated conversation, if someone throws a challenge at you, let a brief flicker of emotion pass across your face. Then, freeze. By doing nothing, you force them to second-guess themselves, wondering what just happened. They'll think twice before continuing their attack. Trick number 3, strategic vulnerability. Want to make them think you're trustworthy? Give them a taste of vulnerability, but not too much. By revealing just enough, you pull them in without giving up control. The trick is in showing just a glimpse of yourself, making them feel like they're gaining insight into your true nature, but holding back the full story. Example: in a conversation, say something like, "I've had my fair share of setbacks, but that one moment really changed me." Then stop. They'll want to know more. They'll be invested in your story, and in turn, they'll trust you more. Trick number 4, the silent interruption. Most people think speaking louder wins the conversation. They're wrong. Silence is your ultimate weapon. When someone challenges you or interrupts, don't fight back with words. Fight back with silence. That silence will leave them squirming, scrambling for control. Example: when someone interrupts or questions you, don't argue. Pause, make eye contact, and say nothing. The silence creates an uncomfortable tension. Suddenly, they're on the defensive. You've just taken control of the conversation without saying a word. Trick number 5, the power exit. The most powerful players in any room know this. Always leave at your peak. Don't overstay your welcome. End the conversation before they want it to end. You'll leave them hungering for more. Example: in a conversation or meeting, when you've made your point and have the floor, don't drag it out. Say, "I think we've covered everything for now. Let's reconvene when the timing's right." Then, leave. Don't linger. You've left a powerful impression, and now, they'll remember you long after you've gone. Conclusion: these 5 secrets don't just give you power, they give you control. Control of the conversation, control of the room, control of their minds. The mirror delay lets you form unspoken bonds while staying in control. The controlled flinch forces others to second-guess their position. Strategic vulnerability pulls them in while you maintain authority. The silent interruption shifts power to you with nothing more than silence. and the power exit ensures you leave them remembering you on your terms. If Part 1 showed you how to gain respect, Part 2 just taught you how to manipulate and control conversations. And guess what? This isn't the end. Part 3 is on the horizon, and it's about to take everything to a level you won't believe. Get this video to 300 likes, and Part 3 will drop soon. Trust me, you won't want to miss it.